Okay, we're making really fast progress. I was just up here this morning filming, and we just had this first section that was just placed in and not much else. And now you can see some pretty steady progress. This piece, this whole unit is in. These units are in. Even maybe a working cupboard. I'm going to be careful because I don't know if it's fully finished yet. But yeah, so this is where the combi oven unit goes. I think the warming tray goes here, dishwasher here, fridge, storage, and storage. Then storage areas. So there's actually a decent amount of storage, actually. I think. What do you say, Roger? Is that pretty good? Yeah. All right. That's great. More than your average house. All right. We have more than your average home of storage. Yeah. Yeah, true. Okay. Great. Fantastic. And the counters, we already have the counter, it's just we're not going to install it until everything's all, until the foundation is done. But I think this foundation is going to be done pretty soon by the looks of it. And it looks pretty much like the renders. Pretty darn close to the renders.